When you enter the platform, lobby is your starting point. From lobby, you can access exhibition, delegate list, help desk, agenda, and conference by simply clicking on the picture. You can visit sponsor stands, virtual stands, by clicking on the logo of the sponsors in the lobby. To navigate through the delegate list and chat with the delegates, click Delegates and search by company name or by name, or you can use even tags by speakers, or you can choose organizers. You can star the contacts like this, and when you want to see only your starred contacts, click this tab. With the delegate, just click Chat button and start typing your message. To have a video call with the delegate, just click Arrange Meeting, select the date and time in your time zone, provide additional comment optional, and send arranging. When you send a request for a video meeting, your contact has to accept it first, and then you will be able to arrange video meetings anytime you want. When you have a new message or meeting request, a red bell will be shown at the top and will be blinking. When you enter your profile, you can add all needed information here. And your bio. When you save it, your profile, your contact details will be visible to all other delegates. If you do not want to show your contact details, please do not fill in your profile. You can update your contact details anytime you want. You can delete them, you can change the name, or anything you want. Just don't forget to click Save. On Agenda tab, you can view full event agenda for all the days, and you can star all presentations that are of interest to you. To view speaker's bio, please point on the speaker's photo and bio will be available for you to read. At My Planner tab, you will see all your starred papers. You can see bios of the speakers here as well, and all your meeting arranged. You can set up an Outlook reminder or Google reminder about your meeting. All your recent chats with delegates will be available here. You just need to click and start a chat again. You will have available your exhibition pack, where you will have all the materials that you download or view from virtual stands. If you have any questions during the event, please visit our help desk that is always available at the platform. We will be able to assist you via online chat, WhatsApp or telephone. Thank you very much for watching and have a great event!